tomorrow and the Easter Bunny isn't real. Come on. I'm gonna go wake up my sister.
Why did you do that?
Well, you need to remember the Easter Bunny's coming tomorrow and you have to be on your best behaviour, otherwise you don't get any chocolate.
Yeah, but just you have to be good as well.
Yeah, so I'm good and the Easter Bunny doesn't even know if I'll be bad. Amber, was that you?
No, it sounded like Mum and Dad. Let's go and check downstairs.
Amber, what's going on? Holy... Shut up. Are they dead? What do you think? I don't know, they may be power sleeping.
Oh, power sleeping with no pulse.
Yeah?
We're gonna be homeless.
Well, why can't we just live here?
The police will eventually turn up and put us in foster care.
Well, I don't see what's so bad about that.
Well, I'm going whether you like it or not, Chad.
Amber! This is the police. Put your paws up. Huh, there seems to be no one here.
Well, apart from 2 dead bodies.
Right. Let's bring them to the medical centre. Maybe we can get their heart pulsing again.
This is a fat one.
This one's skinny. Let's take Dad's van.
But you don't know how to drive.
I'll learn. I've seen a lot of driving movies. Wait, is that 2 children in a car?
We need to go now.
Okay.
We need to go after them. Forget about these dead people. We need to go after them now.
Okay. How do you go on this thing?
Roderick! Tell my children, Daddy is not coming home tonight.
Forget about him. Let's go. What the hell was right in front of my house? Oh well. As much as I try, I just can't drive.
Agreed.
The police are still after us. We need to run.
Take care.
We'll camp here for tonight. Then we'll try and find somewhere good to sleep.
Well, since we're homeless now, we're gonna have to beg.
Okay, I'll go get a hat. I found this lunchbox. I think that will do.
Yeah, it's good enough, I guess.
Let's start begging. Can you please give us some money?
No, sorry. I've only got money for lunch for just me. Sorry.
Oh, mister, do you have any money to spare for us?
No. Even though I'm a celebrity, why do I waste my money on worthless rats like you?
Burn!
Hello, please, can we have some money? I'm sorry, I left it all at home and My girlfriend's paying for my dinner. I'm sorry.
Okay. Please, do you have any money to spare?
I have a lot of money, but I don't really want to spend it because I'm saving up for my birthday, and then I'm going to spend all my money.
Okay.
We're getting no luck. We have no money.
It's true, but what else can we do?
I guess we're just going to have to wait.
No, it's like tag rugby was so good.
I know. Oh, children.
Oh, hey.
Hello. Do you have any money to spare? Oh, I'm so sorry we don't have enough money. But since it's Easter tomorrow, I'll go get a chocolate egg for you.
Yeah, that's me and my boyfriend's mission, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go now. They were really nice.
I know, no one's been that nice to us.
Here's your Easter egg.
That looks delicious.
Wow, she is so generous.
I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
I spent $5.99.99999 on that.
Okay, good now. Now we can guess the front one. Oh, no.
We'll save it till tomorrow. The
next day.
Hello. Would you like anything else?
We like a drink. Sure, you've got food, but you don't have any drinks.
Okay, I'll go get my wife to go get some.
Okay, thanks.
Wait, one more thing. If you can't find us, our address is 22 Pawsville Lane. Okay, so we'll see you later. It's been 5 hours. They said they'll be back in a little while. Where are they?
We should check out their address. Didn't they say it's at 22 Pawsville?
Right, let's go.
Why is the door wide open?
Yeah, let's go in.
They're dead! And is that the Easter Bunny?
Oh, children. I give the Easter eggs, not them. And since you witnessed this, then you will have to die.
Were you the murderer? Why?
Time to teleport you into the giant's nest. Where are we?
I think we're in the giant's nest.
Where's the giant then?
Oh my god, it's huge.
Stay still and it might not eat you. I said don't trigger it. Look, an exit. How did you get out the giant's nest?
We found an escape route.
Oh, I'm gonna fire that stupid giant. I think you should be fired from doing anything to do with Easter. Ow, ow, ow!
Replace her with a better one.
Ow!
We shall replace her with a better one.
Here, everyone can have Easter eggs. Yay! The end.
I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And the money comes in for the work I do. I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, I know I'm gonna be